This year we welcomed over 500 exhibitors from 24 countries with a lot of country pavilions. We experience a very good growth over the years in number of exhibitors, visitors, conference delegates at our metal shows. We offer an ideal platform for the respective industry to get an insight of new technologies, to get an overview about products and services, but also an ideal platform for networking with industry colleagues.
We must thank first of all Messe Düsseldorf India for giving us an opportunity to showcase their products range and other services. In the same way, I decided to participate in this exhibition because it gives us a visibility and exposure.
This is a very good opportunity because we can get we can make many communications with distributor and customers.
The footfall is very, very high. We have also experienced the quality of the customers, those who have come, or quality of the people, those who have come and visited our stall was what we were expecting, because they were actually either the end user or the distributors, those who are interested in the business of welding products.
We are getting a mix of people who are into different industry over here. We are getting a good response from them.
It's been a better year. I think we see a better footfall and the sort of people we are expecting, decision takers are there.
This platform is good. It's quite relevant because the pipe and tube manufacturers are also here. Welding is also there. We could show the right welding techniques also to some of the customers, and pipe manufacturers also took a great interest in this.
Our first time exhibiting here, very, very good. We're very happy.